How to replace the rope on a flagpole. Flagpoles are a striking accent to your home, and a great way to display your patriotic spirit, state pride, or perhaps show off the Jolly Roger. While you can and should bring your flags indoors to protect them from the elements, the rope on your flagpole is not so lucky. As rope is an organic fiber, it tends to break down over the years and require replacement. The following instructions will show you how to easily replace your old frayed rope and have your flags hanging proud in no time. Things you will need: flagpole rope length approx 2 times the height of your pole. Knife. Duct tape. Identify which side of the existing rope is free from knots or snap hooks the metal clasps to which you attach the flag, and, holding tightly to the rope, cut it. Using your duct tape, tightly attach the new rope to the old on the side that is free from clasps and knots, taking care to allow enough room that the rope can be threaded through the top of the pole. Pull the rope through, taking care that the entire rope not be fed through. When finished, you should be holding the virgin end of the new rope, as well as the duct taped end that you have fed entirely through. Cut the duct tape portion of the new rope off of the old rope again, holding onto both ends of your new rope, and tie the 2 ends of the new rope together. Remove the snap hooks from the old rope and attach with spacing appropriate to the size of your flag.